Hello folks, this is Frank Reynolds from Frank Reynolds Company with our April 2013 economic update. In this video, we'll be talking about some of the important economic events that drove market movements during the month of April. We'll also be looking ahead at what may happen in the days and weeks to come. Now, please be sure to read the required disclosure statements below. It's the law. Markets hit new highs in the final days of the month, continuing a rally that began in the beginning of the year. The S&P 500 posted its longest monthly winning streak in April since September of 2009. For the month, the S&P 500 gained 1.81%, the Dow gained 1.79%, and the NASDAQ gained 1.87%. First quarter earnings drove a lot of the action last month, with investors sending markets higher in response to better than expected earnings reports. The downside, though, is that many companies missed revenue expectations, indicating that global demand is still weak and that firms achieving better than expected earnings are likely doing this through cost-cutting measures. Economic data in April was a mixed bag. Our first look at the first quarter GDP growth, which is an important measure of domestic economic activity, was disappointing, coming in at just 2.5% instead of the 2.8 to 3% that economists had expected. However, this is still a major improvement over the 0.4% growth the economy experienced in the fourth quarter of 2012. Many analysts believe that the 2% payroll tax, which hit consumers in January, is taking a bite out of consumer spending. April consumer confidence improved slightly over March, but a sub-index shows that consumers feel jobs are more difficult to get than last month, which may weaken consumer spending. Weekly unemployment claims were volatile in April, but the official employment situation report showed a flat unemployment rate of 7.6%, which is not a change from the previous month. On a more positive side, the housing sector continues to improve. Mortgage applications are increasing as interest rates drop. Housing prices continue to rise slightly as the supply of houses on the market tightens up. Investors are continuing to closely watch the Fed for guidance about whether it will continue its economic boosting measures. Looking ahead at the coming weeks, we expect some volatility and a potential sell-off as traders take profits and monitor the economic tickers. We are looking forward to that as a potential opportunity to move some of our overweighted cash positions into some opportunistic equity positions. Though we're pleased about recent market performance, we do encourage our clients to focus more on the long-term financial strategies and less on the short-term market movements. Now, if you'd like some more information, you can visit our website at www.frankreynoldscompany.com to download our most recent white paper on women and investing. Once again, this is Frank Reynolds with Frank Reynolds Company signing off for the month of April 2013. I hope that you have found this commentary interesting and informative. And if you have any questions about what you've heard in this update, or if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at our Daytona office at 386-248-2121 or the Orlando office at 407-622-1322. We will be honored to talk to you. And until we talk next, may God bless you richly in all that you do.